Hello everyone, welcome back to Aldo. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to make this adorable circle skirt for a teddy bear. We'll be doing a lot of teddy bear and doll clothes tutorial, so you don't want to miss that out. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. Now let's begin. The first thing I will do is measure the waistline of the teddy bear. So it is 13 inches and I will divide it into 3.14, and then that will give me the waistline. And then for the length, I'm going to be doing 5 inches and I will add 1/2 inch hemline. So starting from the corner of the center fold, I am going to measure in 4.5 inches. This is going to be the waistline of the skirt, and I'm only going to have one piece of skirt panel here. From this point right here is going to be the length of the skirt. By the way, you guys, if you want to make a skirt for yourself, this is pretty much the same idea, same process. It's just in a bigger scale, obviously. And now I am going to cut out the skirt panel. I will be adding 1/4 inch seam allowance here so I can attach a waistband later on. After that, I am going to cut out a waistband that measures 13 inches long by 2 inches wide. I'm going to sew the waistband on the skirt. So I'm just going to fold it in half like so, and I'm going to match the ends first and then work my way in. And then I just grab the center fold of the skirt and then match it at the center fold of the waistband. So the idea is you want to evenly distribute the fabric throughout the waistband. And then I will zigzag stitch it. After that, I am going to hem the skirt. By the way, if you are wondering, I am using a stretchy knit material that looks like a denim. Lastly, I am going to sew the back seam of the skirt, and it is done. By the way, this fabric was actually a leftover fabric from a previous tutorial. If you want to watch that, I am going to have the link in the description box below or at the end screen. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon. Bye!